Mahangin man. Oh, rolling na tayo, rolling.
Rolling, rolling.
Busog na kami.
Standby, standby. Rolling.
Director.
Lumapit ka sa akin si Sian Lin eh. Si Sian Lim. Sabi niya direct.
Direct. Shooting na tayo direct.
Direct. Ano na tayo? Shoot na ba tayo? Magro-rolling na.
Sa Amon, sa Amon nga gamay nga event. And thank you sa love, together sa Amon, dalawa ni Ilona. Thank you man sa perseverance. Ninyo, ang love ninyo sa Amon, ang perseverance ninyo sa Amon. And hope lang. Mag-hope na kami dalawa magpadayon sa pag-asenso, hindi lang sa pangabuhi, kundi pag-asenso man sa amon na relationship na dalawa. Ayun, salamat dito sa tanan.
Buhay.
Thank you for coming ang iba maging ka sa stage. Ang iba para mahalin man sa sa sultan ko dito. Thank you sa presence sa tanan, makakaon kita, mabusog kita. Name Thanksgiving, hindi lang siya sa anniversary Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving naman naman sa relationship in the healthy and alive and kicking and getting bigger po. Thank you. Let's eat.
Receipt.
Ako nga Japon ang nagsamuay. Subong ako Japon, no? Kung na-witness ko, bidurang nila na pagpalanggaanan na duwa. Kaya nila na kasadya sa kapuri. Palakpakanan natin ang aton naman, sa tugahinan sa aton niya na adla at sa katabiho natin. So, sa aton subong pag-toast sa itong sinuway natin subong, may harap ang involvement. Kung magaling ko kang na-build, build on, masabat ka mo love, trust, and shared dreams. Sige daw? Love, trust, and shared dreams. O, ayan. Ano ba, no? So, ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glasses. Ayan. Today, we celebrate not just the passing of time, but the strength of bond built on love, trust, and shared dreams. Here is to a couple who exemplify what true partnership looks like. Wishing you continued joy and many more years of happiness. Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep!
Hooray!
Cheers!
Kampay!
Picture na picture. Go.
Ayan na sila po.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. At this juncture, may request Jem or the prayer for our dinner. Check it out.
Mga bata, ako, banis.
Bihis pa sila, bihis. Lilit, atak na Lilit.
Kanting na nila yung... Where's the backpack?
Cannonball.
friendship in a journey of two beautiful souls, Luna and Junel, as they mark the 6 years of marriage today. 6 years ago, they stood before the family and friends and made a vow to love, to honor, and to journey through life together. Today, we gather not only to celebrate the passing of time, but to honor the strength of their love, laughter, they share the trials they overcome, and the beautiful memories that they created. This evening is all about reliving those precious moments, sharing new memories, and surrounding this wonderful couple with the warmth of the people who've witnessed their love and story unfold. So sit back, relax, enjoy celebrating Ilona and Junel's 6th wedding anniversary. A testament that the true love only grows stronger with time.
Bilis pa sila, bilis. Lilit, attack na Lilit.
Kantig lang yun yung...